Well, right. What can I say to my child about science and faith in light of what she's being taught in school? What can she say in class? Now, a question like that is very difficult for me because I'm not a Slovenian and I know nothing about your education system. And it would be to insult you for me to make any assumptions about it. But the formulation of the question is very revealing. What can I say to my child about science and faith? I wonder what is meant by faith in that question. Is it that we've got science here and faith there? Because that reveals to me a misunderstanding. What is faith? Well, I know what Richard Dawkins thinks it is. It's a religious concept and it means believing where there's no evidence. That's nonsense. Faith is an ordinary word that means trust. It comes in English from the Latin fides, which means trust, reliability. And faith is an essential part of science. So when you say science or faith or science and faith, I'm not sure what is being talked about. But I understand it because faith has become, sadly, a shorthand for belief in God and religion, as if science didn't rest on faith. But of course it does. I said that, but not in so many words at the beginning of my lecture. I said that Newton and Kepler believed that science could be done. They had faith that the universe was rational. Every scientist has that faith. And Einstein said so explicitly. I cannot imagine a scientist without that faith. I cannot give you guidance. But I was fortunate. My parents never went to university. But they had the goodness to allow me and to encourage me to think. And they had the sense to feed me good literature so that I could compare it with what I read in school. And I don't know what's taught here. I can imagine, of course, that in some schools, certainly in Britain, people are taught a worldview. Some schools have a Christian background, some have an Islamic background, and many have an atheist background. And what I would encourage parents to do is A, never suppress your kids' questions. B, take them seriously, because they will know if you don't know the answers. C, be honest if you don't know the answers. Many young people are asking questions today that their parents never had to face. And it's very important that your relationship with your child is on the level. I don't understand that, son, but let's have a look at it together and see can we sort it out. That will develop a very close relationship with your child. And I appeal to you parents. I'm a grandfather of 7 and I'm a parent, and it's not easy being a parent. You're going to have to do some hard work. You're going to have to get your eyes away from the television and invest it in thinking about these things in order to help your kids. It is desperately important.